brother just did a nice video. This is cranberries and water. We emptied about a half bucket of cranberries in there. You see? I did actually. They get all chopped up in the water. It's fairly aggressive. And this is a Skerman. It's about a 25-30 gallon container. 4 baffles. Did you kill that, Dave? Just want to run a little test here. It's going to be a trade coverage. Here's the lid. And we just want to test. Nice.
Okay, I'm going to show you how the particulates. Let's see how much we got in there. Yeah, just small particulates.
Ooh. I like that screen. Rotex? No, who's US Stoneware? What's it? Camptrading.com. Marlboro, New Jersey.
I got some screen buckets. The other thing. These are nice, man.
Okay.
I couldn't throw them out. They're like
That's it up, Jim.